Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Muhammad Hadi Jahangir and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you've been up with the internet recently, you may have come across the word Eid al-Fitr or Eid once along the way. Now, if you're not familiar with what Eid is, you may have come across this word at least once in your lifetime and just thought to yourself, hey, what even is Eid? That is exactly the question we'll be answering in today's video.
Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Fitr,
Eid al-Fitr.
Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Fitr,
Eid al-Fitr,
Eid al-Fitr.
Eid.
Now, to start things off, we need to answer two basic questions. Number one, what is Eid? And number two, why is it celebrated? Now, just like there's Christmas, Halloween, there's Diwali, Eid too is a popular holiday which is celebrated by around 2 billion Muslims each year. Now, the basic motive behind celebrating Eid is actually linked to Ramadan. For those of you who don't know what Ramadan is, basically, the Muslims have their own calendar known as the Hijri calendar. Now, this is based on the lunar cycle. So, basically, whenever there's a new moon, there's a new month. And Ramadan is considered one of the most holiest months in the entirety of the calendar. Now, this is the month where we Muslims fast from sunset to sundown for 30 consecutive days. And to mark the end of a successful Ramadan, we have Eid, which takes place on the 1st of Shawwal. Now, Eid is definitely an occasion which calls for celebration. It's characterized by goodwill, spreading joy, meeting up with your loved ones, your family, your friends, your community. That is what Eid is all about. It's a time where we get to spread joy, where we wear new clothes, where we go out and celebrate with the people we love. That is what the meaning of Eid is. Now, one really interesting fact is that Eid actually begins before Eid. And what I mean by that is Chand Raat. Now, as I mentioned before, the Islamic calendar is based on the lunar cycle. So, we never really know whether the month will have 29 days or 30 days. This is why the night before Eid is known as the Chand Raat, because this night we all are filled with curiosity and questioning ourselves. Will Eid be tomorrow or the day after tomorrow? Now, this decision is actually based on whether we can sight the new moon or not, which is why everyone, and I mean everyone, is busy on their roofs trying to find the new moon when it's actually right here. But there's more to it. Basically, this is the most energetic night in the entire calendar. Everyone's busy doing last minute shopping, trying to find stuff they forgot to buy. Now, in our family, all of us cousins actually meet up on Chand Raat. And this is the night where all the females decorate their hand with a form of traditional art known as mehendi. With all the boys, we just make sure our clothes are all ironed up and ready for the next day. And then comes the big day. Now, in our household, Eid actually starts off really early. All of us get ready and wear our new clothes. Wearing new clothes and the best of our attires is actually one of the most integral parts of Eid for us. We mostly wear traditional type of clothes such as the shalwar kameez or the kurta. Now, once we're all ready and set, we all leave for the Eid prayer. This is a time where all of us Muslims gather together in the mosque. It shows unity and brotherhood. Now, once we're all done with the Eid prayer, my personal favorite part comes in, which is meeting up with all of my relatives. We actually go to our village to celebrate our Eid, and meeting up with all of my relatives in my village is basically the best feeling one can ever get. Now, another tradition in our households is that we prepare special sweet dishes such as savaiya, sheer khurma, and kheer. And sorry for lying before, now comes my actual favorite part. So basically, one of the traditions on Eid is that all the kids get a form of gift which is known as Eidi. This form of exchanging gifts is actually a gesture of goodwill and strengthen ties between us. And another part which I love about Eid is the dawats we have. What dawat basically means is hosting family gatherings. During these dawats, we cook special dishes to welcome our guests, and it's always a fun vibe spending time and talking with the guests. Well, that is all from me today. I hope you learned a lot from this video and enjoyed it. Take care and bye bye.